Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we have something super special for all you hair care enthusiasts out there. Let's dive into some amazing DIY hair mask recipes that will leave your hair nourished and shiny. For our first recipe, we're whipping up a hydrating and shine-boosting hair mask using coconut oil and honey. Coconut oil deeply moisturizes and adds tons of shine, while honey attracts and retains moisture. You'll need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of honey. Warm the coconut oil slightly until it melts, then mix it with the honey in a small bowl. Stir until you have a smooth mixture. See, I told you it was easy. Next, we have a mask perfect for damaged hair in need of TLC, featuring avocado and banana. This combination is not only natural, but also incredibly effective in restoring your hair's health and vitality. Avocado is packed with nutrients that condition and smooth your hair. Rich in vitamins A, D, and E, as well as proteins and healthy fats, it deeply nourishes each strand, leaving your hair soft and shiny. Banana strengthens the hair shaft, reducing breakage and promoting growth. It contains silica, which helps your body synthesize collagen, making your hair stronger and more resilient. You'll need half a ripe avocado and 1 ripe banana. Make sure both are ripe to ensure they blend smoothly and release their full range of nutrients. Scoop out the avocado flesh and add it to a blender or bowl. The creamy texture of avocado makes it easy to mix and apply to your hair. Peel the banana, break it into pieces, and blend or mash until smooth. The banana's natural oils and vitamins will help to moisturize and repair your hair. You can add a bit of water or milk if the mixture is too thick. This will help achieve the perfect consistency for easy application and even coverage on your hair. Our final DIY hair mask focuses on scalp health and hair growth using yogurt and aloe vera gel. This combination is not only easy to make, but also incredibly effective in nourishing your hair from root to tip. Yogurt strengthens the hair shaft and exfoliates the scalp. It is rich in proteins and lactic acid, which help to cleanse the scalp, remove dead skin cells, and promote a healthy environment for hair growth. Aloe vera soothes and heals, creating a healthy environment for hair growth. Its natural enzymes repair dead skin cells on the scalp, and its anti-inflammatory properties reduce scalp irritation and dandruff. You'll need 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt and 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel. These simple ingredients are packed with nutrients that your hair will love. If you have an aloe vera plant, scoop out the gel, or use store-bought pure aloe vera gel. Fresh aloe vera gel is always preferable for its potency, but store-bought versions work well too. Combine the ingredients in a bowl and mix until smooth. Make sure the mixture is well blended to ensure even application on your hair and scalp. Your refreshing hair mask is ready. Apply it generously to your scalp and hair, leave it on for 30 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly. Enjoy the benefits of a healthier scalp and stronger, shinier hair. Now that you have these amazing DIY hair masks ready, it's time to give your hair the love and care it deserves. It's time to pamper those locks and indulge in some much-needed self-care. Choose the mask that suits your specific hair needs, whether it's for hydration, repair, or shine. Wet your hair thoroughly and section it for easier application. This ensures that every strand gets the attention it needs. Apply the mask from root to tip, ensuring all strands are coated. Take your time to make sure the mask is evenly distributed. Give yourself a relaxing scalp massage to stimulate blood flow and enhance the mask's effectiveness. This also helps in relieving stress. Leave the mask on for 30 minutes to an hour. Use this time to unwind, read a book, or enjoy a cup of tea. Rinse off thoroughly with lukewarm water. Make sure no residue is left behind, as it can weigh your hair down. Follow up with your regular shampoo and conditioner if needed. This helps to seal in the benefits of the mask. Look at that beautiful, nourished, and shiny hair. Your locks will feel softer and look more vibrant. We hope you enjoyed these DIY hair mask recipes. They are a great way to treat your hair without harsh chemicals. Natural ingredients can be just as effective, if not more, than commercial products. They are gentle and nourishing, so give them a try and let us know in the comments how they worked for you. We love hearing your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe for more hair care tips and tricks. We have a lot more in store for you. Until next time, take care of yourself and your hair. Remember, healthy hair is happy hair.